Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to check your oxygen level without oximeter. So without any delay, let's get started. As you all know, COVID-19 is spreading very fast. Lack of oxygen supply. Precaution is better than cure. So install CarePlix Vitals so you can check your oxygen level with your smartphone. Open Play Store and search for CarePlix Vitals and install that application. After the installation completes, open the app. It will ask some permission to run the application. Allow them. After that, you have to register first and log in with your email ID and password. Also, this application trials by professional doctors as well. They compared this application with original accessories. So this is how the application's interface looks like. Record vitals, vitals history, vitals analytics, upgrade plan. Let's hit record vitals. Allow them. There is a information on how to use this application with images. Press scan button. Here you can see it switches on the camera and as well as flashlight. If I didn't put my finger on camera and flashlight, it will say poor signal. If I put mobile on the table, also it will say poor signal. So this application is not that fake. When my finger placed on the camera, it will say perfect. The application helps in determining the strength of the finger placement. The stronger you place your finger, you will find more accurate reading. If you are unstable, you need to do the process from starting. In my case, in first attempt, I disturbed flashlight too much. So the reading stopped in a midway and comes back to home page immediately. Now you need to start the process from starting itself. So place your finger on camera and flash strongly and be stable for 30 to 40 seconds. This application uses rear camera as well as flashlight to determine your oxygen rate as well as heart rate. Oxygen level in human body should be 75% to 99 to 100%. If it comes to below 75%, then you need to visit a doctor. The process is almost completed. It calculating as well as in real time. Now you can see it is completed. It is showing what's your position. I am resting. Heart rate is 97, oxygen saturation is 97, respiration rate is 19. You can add your vitals to history as well. If you hit the histories, it will show the previous reading. I don't have oximeter. I have only smartwatch with only heart rate sensor. So let's compare heart rate with watch as well as in application. This application calculating the difference of light intensity and based on the difference they can plot the PPG graph. From the graph, both SpO2 and pulse rate is derived. It takes about 30 to 40 seconds to complete the process. In smartwatch, the heart rate is 79. Let's see how much accurate is this phone. CarePlix application's co-founder states that 96% accurate with heartbeats while 98% accuracy in case of oxygen saturation. Obviously, you can't use this application as medical reference, but you can use this application as your own reference. It says the heart rate is 99, but in the watch it says 79. There is a huge difference between in these two sources, but something is better than nothing, right? You can use this application for your own reference. If you find any uneasiness to breathe, you can check with this application. I will check my heart rate with this watch once again. Let's see. In real time, heart rate will always fluctuate every seconds. Now you can see it is showing 94, but in mobile it says 99. Not a huge difference. You can use this application for your own reference. That's it for the video guys. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe. Thank you. We will meet in the next video. Until then, bye bye.